Welcome to How to Download and Install Family Book Creator, a plugin for Family Tree Maker. I'm Trainer Lori. Why use Family Book Creator? This training shows how to download and install the plugin, which presents all your research with common components of a professionally published book, like pedigree charts with images, figures and other images, and indexes of places, and names of individuals. One way to find the program is to go to the website familybookcreator.com and sign up for the newsletter. You'll receive a link to the download area by email after subscribing to the newsletter. Open the email when your subscription has been confirmed, and click the link to go to the download area. Choose the version of Family Book Creator based on your version of Family Tree Maker, and click Download. While there, be sure to download the user guide too. In File Explorer, find the downloaded file and double-click it to install. Now open a tree in Family Tree Maker. Click to open Tools, Plugins, Export with Plugin, Family Book Creator. You have 3 choices to proceed. Try before you buy for a 30-day trial. The next option is to enter your license key if you've already paid for it. The third option is to order the license and pay for it to get the key. Once you've paid, you will get an email with the key information. Keep this information available. Now click Enter Existing Key. If this window is closed, go back to Tools, Plugin, Export with Plugin, Family Book Creator, and click the About tab. Enter the license information from the email and either create document or exit. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please click subscribe.